Hey there everyone! Welcome back to another video from Face Paint Forum Shop. I'm your artist rep Lily, and today we're going to be painting a scared pumpkin, almost like a zombie type pumpkin. This is a request definitely from boys. So I have my 5/8 angled wash protege brush, and I've loaded it with Superstar Yellow. I'll also be adding some Superstar Orange to mix it in here within the pumpkin. So at the top of my pumpkin, I want it to be a little more jagged, so he's more of a scary pumpkin. So I've created the top of my pumpkin to be a little more sharp than the cutesy round pumpkin. I also wanted him to be a little more pale than the regular pumpkin. So here I've got my Lowell Cornell round number 3 loaded with DFX metallic green. This is going to be the top. Now I've got my Lowell Cornell round number 3 loaded with Diamond FX black. I'm going to go ahead and outline my pumpkin. The wonderful thing about pumpkins is they come in all different shapes and sizes. So this particular design is pretty forgiving. I'll go ahead and use a flicking motion to create the creases within the pumpkin. Now I'm creating his eyes. I want one eye to be smaller than the other. I created a line under his eyes to make him look tired, more of a scary pumpkin. He's got a tiny little triangle nose. And here I'm going to do the shape of his mouth. I want his mouth to be open and a little bit frightened. Now I'll go ahead and outline the top of the pumpkin. Give him some very surprised eyebrows. And I've loaded my Lowell Cornell round number 3 with a mixture of Superstar White and DFX White and Superstar Yellow. So I'm going around giving him highlights, going around his eyes, nose, mouth, also the very top of the pumpkin. This is going to give so much more dimension to him. Now I've got my sponge dauber and my graffiti eye stencil. So since I wanted this to be more of a boy design, I chose the graffiti eye stencil that has geometric shapes. So I went ahead and loaded my sponge dauber with DFX black, and I'm using this particular design on the graffiti eye stencil, sort of like a background. You're welcome to add stars, dots, anything you like. And I made sure to go in one direction. It makes the design look so much better. I'm going to add some stars here. One star on the bottom. And probably one more star up top. I went ahead and decided to add a little more character in his eyes. I used Diamond FX White and my Lowell Cornell round number 3. I decided to give the pumpkin a little more movement with just a bit more highlighting. Here's another one I did on the job. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, you can find all these products and so much more at Face Paint Forum Shop.